There are numerous misconceptions about what it means to live below your means. Simply put, living below your means requires that you do not spend more money than you earn. Therefore, if your monthly spending is less than or equal to the amount of money you get from your employment and other sources of income, you are living below your means. However, living below your means does not imply that you cannot spend money on things you enjoy. Rather than that, if you want to secure your financial future while still enjoying the odd luxury dinner and other things, you can make some deliberate financial choices, such as increasing your savings, making a budget, and reducing unnecessary expenses. Consider the lifestyle changes you may need to make in order to live below your means. Car loans, student loans, mortgage or rent payments, and credit card debt continue to loom over you, waiting to ruin your day. The good news is that there are methods to pay these expenses on time while still meeting your financial goals, and possibly even having some extra income to spend on activities you enjoy. Hey everybody, welcome to Millionaire Mind. Today, we're going over the top ways to live below your means. Make sure to watch till the end, because you would not like to miss your chance to discover these top ways that can help you live below your means and achieve your financial goals. Number 7. Create a budget. Budgeting is one of the most critical steps you can take to end your paycheck-to-paycheck existence. Without a clear grasp of your finances and the amount of money coming in and going out, you risk falling into an endless debt cycle. Calculate your income and expenses to create a budget. This might help you determine whether you are living within or beyond your means. Consider not only your income, but also your other sources of revenue when determining how much money you earn each month. This can include child support, gifts, a tax refund, or money earned from side hustles or a second employment. Then, determine the amount of money you spend each month. This comprises all of your monthly transactions, such as loan payments, credit card payments, insurance, rent or mortgage payments, food, and utilities. Each month's expenses may vary, so calculate them for 6 to 12 months and average them. And always remember, now is the time to assess if you're living below your means or exceeding them. Calculate your monthly expenses by subtracting them from your monthly income. If there's any remaining money, fantastic. You're making do with what you've got. However, if your result is negative, you may be living over your means and may need to make some changes to reach financial security. Number 6. Maintain a record of your spending. After you've created a budget, consider tracking your expenditures to avoid falling off track. Create a spreadsheet or use one of the several budgeting applications available for mobile phones to keep track of your spending. Maintaining a record of each purchase is an excellent way to motivate yourself to think twice before making another one. This way, you'll be less tempted to buy that $5 cup of coffee if you know that you have some ready to brew at home. Number 5. Avoid relying on credit cards. They're advantageous because they enable you to make large purchases even if you lack the cash up front, and allow you to pay them off over time. However, 34% of Americans have less than $5,000 in credit card debt, while 12% have between $5,000 and $999,000. Surprisingly, just 35% of the American population is completely debt-free. These unexpected figures demonstrate how alluring credit card debt may be. When it comes to credit cards, limit yourself to 1 or 2 in order to avoid succumbing to the temptation of overspending. Additionally, it is advisable to keep their utilization below 30%. This indicates that if you have a credit card with a $10,000 limit, you should spend no more than $3,000 to avoid exceeding the suggested utilization percentage. Moreover, if you do wind up making more purchases, this may indicate to the bank that you are experiencing financial difficulties, which may have a bad effect on your credit score. Number 4. Negotiate rates and bills. Many customers believe that the rates the banks and credit unions charge for their services are fixed. However, because these financial organizations are interested in retaining your business, learning how to bargain with a credit card company can save you considerable time. To save money on your account, inquire with your issuer about lower interest rates, annual fees, or a long-term repayment plan. Occasionally, simply informing your issuer that you've discovered a lower rate elsewhere may persuade them to offer you a better deal. If the issuer is hesitant to negotiate a reduced interest rate, consider a balance transfer card. And balance transfers might help you improve your financial situation by allowing you to pay off obligations at 0% interest. While balance transfers may have a minor transfer charge and APR, these fees and rates are often lower than the interest rates on your current credit card, which may save you more money in the long term. Number 3. Reduce meaningless spending. It is the most efficient approach of beginning to live within your financial means to reduce your spending. Avoid squandering money on stuff you don't need, such as high-end coffee or designer apparel, and limit your consumption of fancy restaurant food. There are a variety of options for living a low-cost lifestyle. Used goods such as clothing, electronics, and other items are available for purchase at discounted costs. Start utilizing coupons to save money at the grocery store and buy in bulk to bring the cost of your purchases down even more. Alternatively, if you need to downsize, try moving into a smaller apartment or home and selling off your unneeded possessions to generate more funds. After you've determined what you need versus what you want, you can start living below your means by being frugal with your spending. Number 2. Pick up a second form of income. If you truly want to live below your means, establishing a second source of income can help you do so. If you work a regular 9-to-5 job, picking up a second shift may be challenging without straining yourself too thin. Fortunately, the gig economy is flourishing, and you may monetize your hobbies and interests in a variety of ways. Do you own a good car and enjoy driving? Uber, Lyft, and other ride-sharing services may be recruiting drivers in your neighborhood. Or have you always desired a career as a barista? Your leisurely Sunday mornings can be transformed into a productive activity by serving clients at your neighborhood coffee shop. Moreover, there are dozens of freelancing apps available that allow you to leverage your skills. There are numerous freelancing opportunities available to help others while earning money, ranging from home repair to writing and landscaping to professional tax services. Number 1. Improve your outlook on money. It all boils down to one's perspective of view. Improving your financial thinking can enable you to manage your finances more effectively. Make a conscious effort not to linger on the past. Instead, use your failures as a springboard for making the necessary changes to better manage your money. As an alternative to seeing living below your means as a burden, consider it a necessary step towards financial freedom. Having the right financial mindset, budgeting skills, and financial planning in place may be all that is needed to get you started on your journey towards financial independence. Participating in a money-saving challenge with a friend may be a fun way to get motivated and keep on track with your financial goals. And always remember that starting to live below your means can result in an increase in your bank account far sooner than you expect. So, are you ready to live below your means? Please let me know in the comment section below. If you learned something new today, please like and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you do not miss more videos of Millionaire Mind. We will see you in the next video. Take care.